Yo, the craziest thing actually happened yesterday morning. I woke up, guys, I straight slept with my camera. I woke up and I hop out of my bed and I turn around and my camera was still in my bed. Why the f is my camera in my bed? I don't even know how it got there. I must have just been looking at pictures. I don't even remember. That's kind of crazy, but you know, you do what you gotta do, right? One thing before we get started, I just wanted to say big thank you to everyone for this last month. It's been totally crazy with my mom passing away, merch drop. I actually have her on my neck now, so my mom is with me 24/7 all the time, and I love it, and it's gonna be with me forever. So, moving forward from that, guys, merch drop. We have completely almost sold out in 2 days. I cannot believe it. It is super dope, and I'm super hyped that everybody on my channel, locally and around me, enjoys my clothes as much as I do. With D&M being the topic, I also want to shout out the D&M Instagram, at Drippin' Mods, guys. I'm really trying to get it to 1,000 followers, so if you guys could just go drop a follow on the Drippin' Mods clothing line account, that would be totally rad. I haven't said that one in a while. Totally rad. Nav has actually dropped a new album, and the deluxe version, which is Good Intentions, Brown Boy 2. Oh my gosh. Guys, so far, I wasn't a fan of Good Intentions, and then the whole other side deluxe album is the whole thing's a banger. I love the whole album. Super good. Future also dropped music featuring Lil Uzi Vert in a few songs. Absolutely amazing, guys. A lot of good music right now. I always have my playlist in my description, so if you guys want to follow that, you go ahead and you can do that as well. One last thing, with the merch being new, we went and took a nice little photo shoot for the clothes. My homie pulls up in his FRS, super, super clean. Here's a little bit of footage from that. This thing actually pulls too.
Think so?
Dude, I feel like it pulls, dog. Like that low end, bro. You got that low end power.
It's because of the headers. It's all from the headers.
Yeah.
Unequal length.
Dude, that's super sick. Honestly, probably gonna go unequal length after this video.
Look at these slow ass FRS.
Oh, bro, we scoring now. Oh, what?
Didn't working out, we gotta go our separate ways. I've been trapping all week, feel like I haven't slept in days. He ain't never learned his lesson, nigga stuck up in his ways. He gon' drown up in the water, tryna ride a nigga wave. I've been running through the streets, feel like I never be the same. Did it to myself, I guess I ain't the one to blame. Only wanted money, I forgot it came with fame.
Shit's kinda tough, huh?
What?
It's kinda tough,
Dude, it is kind of tough, bro. Oh, shit, honestly, this kind of looks gas right here.
I have nightmares of being trapped in the basement. I can't trust these niggas and real love, they be faking. Running to a million, I don't really feel like waiting. Niggas do his life away, he had no motivation. Stuck up in the trap, but very soon I be escaping. You thought he was your plug, but the whole time that nigga taping. You thought he was your friend, but the whole time that nigga Satan. You thought he was your homie, the whole time that nigga hating. I came in the vacuum, so you wanna fuck, what's the deal? Money on my line, so sorry, I don't got no time to chill.
I live parks every time. Officially welcome back to my videos, the wide body episodes. I'm super excited to present to you guys today's video. It's one you guys have been waiting for a long time, and I'm not gonna lie, I have too as well. The body kit is painted and it is here, and I'm so excited to present it to you. Look at each individual piece is all painted. It looks amazing. It's going on the car. It's gonna cover up the insane work that we did underneath. Good work, but insane work. Pulling up on the body kit right here. Let's get a little bit closer look, guys. Oh my gosh. Hit a little edit. With receiving the body kit, we do have one thing we need to do first. If you guys do not know, we're going to be putting on a fender liner. It's basically it acts almost as a door trim. It's a rubber garment that goes along the edge. I'm gonna go ahead, guys. We're gonna start putting that on the kit before we actually install the kit back on the car. Here's the liner. I was gonna unravel it, but I ended up not because I didn't want to have a snake of liner everywhere. Pretty much unravel this bad boy. Oh, I totally forgot to tell you guys. I ended up running over a screw with my car and my brand new tires, guys. It was on this front driver wheel. No, it was not. It was on the front passenger wheel, guys, and it was stuck right in here. Oh, here's where it was. You can see, that's some sad shit. I had a flat for a day and I had to go get it fixed. I'm just as mad as you guys are right now because I had a brand new freaking tire and I got a screw in it. Probably shouldn't talk anymore about this or I might get some swear words coming out. Back to the kit. Let's throw some of that on here. Oh my gosh. This is about to be another level, boys. I absolutely do not know what I'm doing, but I'm just going to assume that you take the inside of this. There's some 3M sticky tape. I'm assuming you put this on the kit, get it where you want it, pull the tape out, and it will permanently stick. Not really anything else to it. All right, let's do it. Yo, that was kind of a rap. I used the same word, rhymed it twice. Okay, that was dope. Not really anything else to it. All right, let's do it. Yo. All right, let's do it. Anything else to it? Yo. Why won't my music work?
Pulling up and you know I'm swerving. Bad bitch, but you know I'm curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pulling up and you know I'm swerving. Bad bitch, but you know I'm curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing.
Oof. I just had a nice little lunch break. Now it's time to get back to work. Each individual piece is lined out with the liner, and as you can see, it works out really good and it really makes the whole kit look a lot nicer. So it's gonna add a nice little sealed edge to it, as well as a nice little finishing touch for the looks. Now, the moment of truth, if the kit is going to go back on the car the same way it came off. I have definitely been stressing about that a little bit, but I believe it will go back on the same way it came off, honestly, because it was on there pretty good and it came off super easy. So we should be good. Let's start it. This is gonna be freaking awesome. Fat wheels, fat fenders. It's dope. We cannot forget we have canards as well. We'll get to that.
Better listen. Diamonds on me drip, I'm a wishing, wow. Don't know what you seen in me, girl. You was my all, you believed in me, girl. First day we spent was so real to me, girl. Next time I promise to give you the world. Diamonds be shining, you dripping in pearls. Girl, I ain't lying, you know you my world. Girl, I can't pass up on my love. Addicted to you like a drug. Hoping that this is enough. Running to you, you the one. Running to you, you the one. Pulling up and you know I'm swerving. Bad bitch, but you know I'm curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the shows. Pulling up and you know I'm swerving. Bad bitch, but you know I'm curving. Run it up like a nigga earning. Gotta check, now a nigga smurfing. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the show. Pull up in a rose, now she wanna roll. Everybody talking, but they coming to the show.
Oh my gosh. The body kit is fully on. But first, we actually need to jack the car up and lower the front coilovers, and then we will lower the back. Then we gotta do canards and side skirts. So we have a few more things to do, and then the car will be done. I'm gonna cry. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm tough. I'm tough. I started continuing to lower my coilovers. Come to find out, I totally lost my coilover key. I couldn't find it anywhere. It took me like 20 minutes, but I ended up finding it. It was in my room, right where I thought it was. But after finding it, I have adjusted my coilover now, so I'm gonna go adjust the other side. One thing that I have realized is jacking the car up and removing both side tires, with that one being removed and that side being removed. The problem I was having before is I was raise up one side adjust the coil over, and then I'd raise up the other side and adjust the coil over, and it would make it so it was very uneven, and it made it 3 times harder than it needed to be. Just lift up the whole front end, adjust the front end, get that situated, go to the rear, lift up the whole rear, adjust the height as needed, and makes things a lot easier. All right, let's move on with this. Got my water. I've got a random key. That's the big one I don't need to use. I got my coffee. Very warm. Ugh. Not the move anymore. I also decided while I have the wheel off, I'm going to mount my canards so I can get back in here and bolt them on securely. Make sure they're all looking good. I had a custom fab just a little bit on the liner and as well as the hull. For some reason, these two lined up. This one didn't, so I had to fix this one a little bit. Also, while we're in here, we might as well fix this. I'm going to loosen it and just rotate it so it doesn't get close to the tire. I mean, I probably won't have a problem, but I might as well just fix it just in case. But look at the Mishimoto air intake. Looks super sick. I honestly might have to cut out more, but let's just get the wheel on, get everything situated, and I can't believe I'm gonna say it, but I think the car's about to be done. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bro, look at my car. Oh my. You guys don't even know how excited I am. I can't even function right now. Dude, I lowered it down and it sat about right here. I'm gonna hopefully not rub anywhere. I honestly really like the fitment of that. I could go lower, but I don't know if I necessarily want to, just because I do not want to rubber scrape or anything, especially with the front end. I'm about as low as I was before. Holy shit, dude. All right, oh my gosh, I decided to lower the car another inch, or sorry, half inch. And oh my gosh, dude, this car is about to be legendary. This car is about to be legendary. Oh my gosh, look at this fitment though. Let's go. I just adjusted all my coilovers. I got everything sitting nice. I got the back end tucking quite a bit. And then I have the front end set perfectly on the tire, guys. I cannot believe I just wide-bodied my 2016 Subaru WRX. It's been a journey and it's taken me so long to do it by myself, but I did it. I did it for my mom. She would be super excited about this. She really wanted to see it. She would be very proud of me. That is all I care about. And here we go. I'm about to show you guys. Do you guys want to see the final product? Like, I know it's sitting in my garage, but I don't know if you guys want to see the final product of the 2016 Subaru WRX Widebody. Alright.
Money on my mind, need it all, you can't get no deal. Cops coming block hot, so I had to peel. Once they see the top drop, they hit me up the chin.